As we enter this holiday season, I want to thank all of you for supporting this channel. Your time, your engagement, and your encouragement truly matter. This season is usually filled with celebration, but today I want to pause and speak from the heart. My prayers go out to the soldiers who were tragically gunned down in Washington, D.C. This was not only a crime against America, it was a crime against humanity. Innocent lives were taken. Families are hurting. And as a former soldier myself, I honor their sacrifice and stand with their brothers and sisters in uniform. I may no longer wear the uniform, but I will always defend this country against enemies, foreign and domestic. That duty does not end when service ends. It becomes a lifelong promise. To the families affected, to every service member, and to everyone feeling this loss, my prayers are with you this season. May you all find peace, strength, and unity during this holiday season. Thank you for being here. Happy Thanksgiving from Lone Star LTL Defense. God bless you. And God bless America.